Magandang hapon po ng April 28, 2026 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. Two d Lotto, 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng April 28, 2026 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto, 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, April 28, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 28, 2026 Tuesday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, April 28, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for April 28, 2026 Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.